putting out a reminder for Saturday, which is tomorrow, March 20th at 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Meet us live at Bees Bikinis for a live spring honey club tasting. So I will be joined by Brian from Castle Hives, Mallory from Quebec Homestead, Baby Girl, my supporting actress on the show, on the channel. Also my sister from Double Dutch Arts and Crafts, who makes all my knitted toques and such. Ian from Canadian Beekeepers blog is a little busy with the bees, so he will not be joining us, but hopefully we'll see him for the June tasting, and he might still pop in. But anyways, I hope to see you tomorrow. It's going to be fun. You'll get to see us try these honeys for the first time. Well, I've tried them before, but nobody else has. So it's going to be really great, and the honeys are really tasty, and you'll have the opportunity, if you like what you see, to order off the website and try it yourself. Anyway, I'm very excited because this is one of my passions, is infused honeys, whipped honeys, just doing stuff with honey and bee-related products. So, we will see you there, March 20th, 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Be there or be square.